Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are doing great and staying safe. So I created this shimmery blue makeup look. Hope you guys like it. If you do, then please don't forget to hit the like button and also make sure that you subscribe to my channel below. And I will also mention the product links in the description box below, so don't forget to check that out. Till then, let's continue with the video.
So using this moisturizer. This is from Nature's Co. And if you have a dry skin, this is a really good moisturizer. So I'm going to apply a generous amount all over my face. So you really need to make sure that your skin is properly hydrated, moisturized before you start applying the foundation, so that your makeup doesn't look cakey and there are no dry patches. So moisturizer and a primer is a must before you start applying the foundation. Now I am going to hydrate my lips. I'm using this Body Shop strawberry flavored lip balm and will be moisturizing my lips so that when I'm applying my lipstick it doesn't have any cracks. Next I'm going to use the NY Bay primer. This is a pore filling primer and I'm going to apply it to my T-zone, my nose, my forehead, and this is a silicone based primer, so it will fill all my pores and create a layer with between my skin and my foundation that I'm going to apply. And therefore my now I'm going to use concealer for my dark circles. I'm going to use Maybelline Age Rewind concealer in the shade caramel. This is a very good concealer since I have dark pigmentation under my eyes and over my eyes as well. So I'm going to take a good amount of this concealer and will blend it with the beauty blender. Next I'm going to apply foundation. This is a Nykaa foundation, anti-pollution foundation in the shade warm nude. I really love this foundation. It has a slightly peachy undertone. I'm going to apply it all over my face and blend it with a beauty blender. Now I'm going to fill my eyebrows. I'm taking this Makeup Revolution Velvet Rose palette and I'm going to take this black shade and I'm going to fill my brows with this powder. Now I'm going to take this Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade 25 medium and I'm going to define my brows using this concealer. It will give a very good effect to my brows and I'm going to take a very precise brush for this way. I'm going to apply the same Maybelline Fit Me concealer on my eyelid to create a base before I apply the eyeshadows on my eyelid. I'm going to use sugar loose powder. This is a tinted powder and a little dark for me, but I'm going to set the concealer with this powder so that my concealer doesn't move, and I'm going to do it with a fluffy brush. Now I'm going to use this beauty glazed color board, and I absolutely love this palette. Since the time I've purchased it, I don't need any other palette to create colorful makeup looks. I'm going to create a blue shimmery eye, and therefore I will be creating pink and blue makeup look matching my outfit. I am first going to apply my transition shade with a fluffy blending brush. After that, I'm taking dark brown color from the same palette and applying it on my crease. Next, I'm going to apply light blue color in my crease to define it more precisely. Then I'm taking the sugar coal in the shade blue and only applying it over my lid and not reaching the crease area. Then with a very precise brush, I'm blending that coal with the same blue color from Beauty Glaze color board. Now I'm going to apply glitter to my eyes, and I'm going to take this TS Cosmetic glitter in the shade Blue Land. I got these glitters from an Instagram store. If you want to know about the link, then please mention it in this comment section and I will share the link with you guys. I will be applying this glitter with a wet brush to get full pigment. Next, I'm using this Stay Cookie eyeliner in the shade black and will create a wing line with this. This liner has a very precise tip and helps me to draw the liner perfectly. I'm going to finish my other eye off camera. I'm using the same sugar coal and applying it in my lower waterline and smudging it with the blue shade from the color board. I'm going to apply my falsies, and for this I'm using PAC lashes in the shade in the number M72, and the lash glow is from Miss Claire in the dark tone shade. I'm using Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara to merge my original lashes with fake lashes and also curling my lower lashes. Now I'm going to contour my face using the Sugar Face palette. I will be contouring my cheeks, my jawline and also my nose. Now I'm going to apply blush, and I'll be using this Lakme blush which has a good payoff. I will apply a lot of blush since it will fade out after some time. For highlighter, I will be using the same Sugar palette and will be applying highlighter on the highest points of my face, cheeks, forehead and nose. Please make sure that you blend your highlighter very properly, otherwise you might end up looking weird. I will be highlighting my inner corners of my eyes and also my brow bone with a very precise brush. Next, I'm using the Sugar Lip Primer to prime my lips before I apply lipstick. And trust me guys, this step makes a lot of difference when you want to keep your lipstick to last long. Now I'm going to use Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink Lipstick in the shade 80 Ruler. I will be following my original lip line and not overlining them. Lastly, I'm going to set my makeup with a makeup fixer so that my makeup doesn't move, and will set it with a damp beauty blender. So guys, this is my final look. I will be wearing my outfit and will be right back.
So this is the final look that I've created. Hope you guys like it. If you do, then please don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel. Also follow me on my Instagram to get more updates. Till then, see you in the next video. Bye bye.